it's notchy. See, look, it stops there. It's not smooth. There you go again. Oh. I suspect that some of the bearings are shut. Disengage the brake. There. And the wheels. There. I removed all the attachments on top, make it easier. Let's loosen it. The cap. Okay, and with the same hex, let's remove this. Okay. I think we can bring this. It's being held by, yeah, there you go. This is how it looks inside. Now we got the spacer we have to remove, and this. Eventually we will remove the fork. Let's remove this. Hold. Yeah, just clips in there like that. Spacers. Let's put this first out of the way. Oh, okay, we have to if we can. No, we can't. I thought we can remove this. What holds it? Oh, okay. And the other bearing must be the bottom one. Now, how do I remove it? Oh, that's it. Okay, now we have it removed. There you go. Oh, there's the bearing. See this? There. This one here. Yeah, you can see it. I almost dropped it. Let's see. Ooh. Looks. Let's see if there are bearings that are shut. No, I think it still looks good. Complete. Nothing is. It just needs some cleaning and degreasing and putting grease again. Degreasing, regreasing. Okay, let's put this for a while in here, just to show you with my new bike stand. I'm putting everything there. This one is another. It's convenient, right? There's nothing in here now. So here's the underside. So dirty. Yeah. And here's the top bearing. This is Here's the cap. There. And this, it goes like that. You have to be careful with the bearings. You don't want to drop a single. So I think you will just need some degreasing and greasing for the bearings. That's where the abrupt movement probably is. We'll see. Let's put this aside. I have my container and we will degrease it. So I put hot water and on. I would probably need baking soda, or yeah, baking soda. Let's put baking soda. Baking soda. Okay. Now decided to use some old brush because I see that there's stubborn sand grits. The bearings are still good. None of them are deformed, cracked, shot. I look at it. It's just that some of them, because of all those dirt and grit, don't move as smoothly as possible anymore for a bearing. So, yeah. So here we go now. I rinse it to test if the bearings are still good. You can do it like this. All the bearings from either direction are freely rotating. We just need to grease it. We will dry this first with compressed air. This one is a little bit tight. Now I clean it more, and now if I do like this, I can feel it. You can even hear it. Look. Yeah, it's loose now. I mean, freely moving. Now that it's dry, I'll grease it. I'll use this grease. It's an all-purpose grease. There is a special grease for bearing, but I don't have it for the time being, so I'll use this. I call it dirty grease. I think this is a recycled oil and they just put some lithium. Wearing my gloves. Let's grease it. As if we're putting back the dirt now. Okay, now we put back all the parts together. So now here's the order. This rubber, or I think it's plastic, goes in here first. We already cleaned this, remember? Goes in here, and then the bearing goes next. Go, and then we put it. Make sure it is in between this. There. Let's put this on top. Okay. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Then the bearing will be covered by this one. And then we do this way. Okay, that's how I remember it. And then we put this next, same thing, the plastic rubber, I think it's plastic. Then next is the cap. It's similar at the bottom, but it's opposite direction. There. And then, can you still see it? Oh no, you can't see it. Hold on. So after that, now I found where to put this. Follows this one on top of that. And it fits perfectly in there. Followed by the spacers. There. And then followed by this. Then, so now have more space. Okay. There. There you go. We'll put this. I did not remove the grease. You do that. Okay. One thing I noticed is I just used one hex, the second to the largest hex, this one. I don't have those fancy tools. This is the one I carry when I bike. When I do this one, that we will tighten it when it's aligned. So it's better to see this with the wheels on, if it's aligned or not. So we'll put the wheels. Okay, tighten up. Is it aligned? It's aligned from here. It's aligned from here. We're good. Let's tighten this. There you go. There you go. Yes. There you go. Let's see if we still have the Notchy movement. It goes in smoother, but it's smoother than before. I think I'm good with that. Okay.